Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to use rate cards in Clerk. Rate cards are called price lists in Clerk, and they are part of the invoicing automation that is provided by invoice templates and the Invoice Generator. You can watch a detailed video about how that works, and in this video I will just show examples of price lists. Price lists are managed in Clerk settings. We can create as many price lists as we need. For example, we may have a single price list for all our customers, or we can create individual price list for each customer. Inside a price list we can define hourly rate for each role, like junior developer, middle developer, etc. Or we can create personal rates. In this case we need to create individual roles and put them in this price list. We also can use a blended rate that will be applied to all our employees. These price lists are used inside invoice templates of each client, like this. And after we generate invoices from these templates, these rates are used inside individual invoices. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.